Yeah, man, Rasta Vitos smoke weed. Them wrap we in iron chain, but your spirit can't contain. From ghettos to hills we rise. We got gold deep in our eyes. Babylon build walls high and tall, but the heart of Zion a fall. Them push control with fear and might, but me people shine like the light. Every whip, every scar, write the story of who we are. Iron may bind the flesh and bone, but the soul is Jah throne. Me watch the struggle, me feel the pain, but me no sunshine follow rain. Them can't crush the rebel sound. It lift we up from underground. Iron chains but golden souls. We break them lock, we smash them goals. Jah fire blaze in every street. We keep marching, feel the heat. Them tell we sit, don't rise too fast. Them want we stuck in the past, but me ancestors whisper still. Push forward, Jah have the will. The youth, them eyes full of dream. The elders chant down the scheme. We not beg for no more crumbs. We come feed the throne, we come. We connect like roots to tree. One love, one destiny. Every corner, every block, me hear Jah knocking tick-tock. Them patent hear them tax the sun, but we are nature still a one. Iron chain might squeeze me hand, but me spirit own the land. We stronger than steel and stone. Jah kingdom now built alone. Every step a testimony. We mash up the ceremony. Iron chains but golden souls. We break them lock, we smash them goals. Jah fire blaze in every street. We keep marching, feel the heat. Me say Babylon can't hold me down. Me wear the roots like a crown. Oppression heavy, yes me know, but we spirit always grow. Rebel sound from dusk till dawn. Chant till the system gone. Each beat a blow to the line. Jah warriors multiply. So if you feel them pressure high, look to the hills and to the sky. Iron chains might hold you tight, but Jah love sets you right. Golden soul unbreakable. Zion rise unstoppable. Chant it loud, chant it clear. Jah kingdom always near. Them wrap up we eyes in smoke and lie, but me see clear through the Babylon sky. Every breath me take is revolution flame. Lion heart now bow, now play the game. Me step out on the street, me feel the heat. City full of concrete and deceit. Them say we free, but shackles tight. Golden cage dressed up in light. Them send drone, fi watch me get, but just sight bigger than the state. Me soul can be barcode scan. Me destiny now fit them plan. Me watch them lead a smile and scheme, promising hope but sell a dream. Paper crown pan broken head, system built pan on silent dread. Break the chains of smoke, fly on wings of fire. Babylon fall when we rise higher. No more fear, no more disguise. Lion spirit reach the skies. Me granny tell me, listen keen, freedom not come from machine. It born in heart, in every beat, in every rebel voice pan street. Them flood the youth mind with plastic gold, program the heart, enslave the soul. But roots man know the ancient song, we spirit too deep, too strong. Them take we culture, remix and sell the real truth. Them can't quell, weaving illusions, gold-plated lie. But Rasta man, I reach the sky. In a night, me hear the cry. Earth herself said time fi rise. Jah wind blow through iron gate, breaking down the walls of hate. We now wait pon Savior name. We the fire, we the flame. Together strong, together free. Lion roar across the sea. Break the chains of smoke, fly on wings of fire. Babylon fall when we rise higher. No more fear, no more disguise. Lion spirit reach the skies. Me see me brethren, eyes wide shut, trapped in a cycle them can't cut. But me say open the window, feel the breeze. Rebel heart can't live pon knees. Me not take no mark, not take no bribe. Me only serve the lion tribe. We roots sink deep in sacred soil. No system, trick can't spoil. Them try silence the song we sing, but truth deeper than any king. In every drum beat, every chant, we plant seed, them can't transplant. So light up the torch, make Babylon know the roots of freedom still grow. Chains of smoke can't hold we down. We rise up, wear the righteous crown. Lion heart, gather now. This is the final showdown. Babylon crumble, truth ignite. Zion rise in a purest light.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. It's ganja time. Yeah, man. Hear the lion roar in a distance. No longer silent, no more resistance. The earth a shake, Babylon tremble. Truth arise, hearts assemble. Them want we sleep, them want we blind. But me nah lose sight, me nah lose mind. We ancestors' blood still cry. Rise up, child, reach for the sky. Me see the system lies in disguise. Them play puppet while truth dies. Police badge, politician suit, but all of them rotten to the roots. Them preach order but so confusion. The whole thing built upon illusion. We not fi bow, not fi break. Rebel heart must awake. Chains must break, fire must rise. Rebel spirit light the skies. Babylon wall must fall today. Jah warriors pave the way. Every youth pon the corner know. Them lock we out, but we still grow. Me nah beg bread, me plant seed. From small roots, big trees breed. Them poison the water, poison the air. But Jah creation still care. Them can't stop sunshine, can't stop rain. Every season we break them chains. chant loud on the front line. Me link up with the divine. Me feel the fire burn within. The revolution have to win. Blaze it up, make the system see. We not live in a captivity. We voice louder than them gun. The struggle far from done. Nah retreat, nah surrender. Every rebel heart a defender. We rise up like sunrise. Blaze truth in them eyes. Chains must break, fire must rise. Rebel spirit light the skies. Babylon wall must fall today. Jah warriors pave the way. Me know them a watch, them a spy, but Jah cover we from high. Me nah hide, me nah run. The fight just begun. Them lock we up in digital cage. Them push fake love, fake rage. But we wisdom ancient and deep. The lion awake from sleep. So me say unity the real power. Plant the seed, grow the flower. We build back stronger each day. Zion calling, clear the way. Rise with fire, chant with might. Turn darkness into light. The chain mash up, the wall collapse. Zion rise on the map.
Ay, 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 ay. Rasta VIBES in a dios. Yeah, man. From the earth to the skies, faith can grow deep. While Babylon sleep, Jah people keep the flame alive, the vision bright. Roots of freedom, stand up and fight. VIBES wake with the sun, me feel the breeze. Jah whisper truth through the trees. Every leaf, every stone remind me we now walk alone. Them try to twist the storyline, rewrite history fi hide the sign. But me ancestors, blood run bold. Them roots too strong, can't fall. We come from kings, we come from queens. From rebel hearts and righteous dreams. The system want to erase the past, but Jah memory built to last. Jah roots of freedom, grow and rise. Break the chains, open your eyes. From soil to soul, Jah light guide. We nah go hide, we ride the tide. Them preach progress, but it's a trap. Sell we gadget, give we up. But me say, this not real growth, just distraction dressing old. We roots deep in a earth's core. We wisdom older than the war. The stars talk if you listen true. Them tell story of me and you. Every chant, every drum beat is resistance under defeat. Them can't kill what nature birth. With the warriors of the earth. Them take the water, take the land, but Jah creation not in them hand. Me feel the pulse of ancient song. Tell me spirit stay strong, stay long. The media push plastic dream, but real life grow in this stream. We link out to our tribe to tribe. Roots of freedom, stay alive. Chant roots of freedom, grow and rise. Break the chains, open your eyes. From soil to soul, Jah light guide. We nah go hide, we ride the tide. Me chant for the youth, them lost in maze. For the elders who remember the blaze. The fire of truth, it can't out. Jah message loud, hear the shout. Me plant seeds every day. Words of freedom, words fi stay. One by one, we build the path till the 16 feel Jah wrath. So rise up, me brothers and me sisters. Hold your ground, resist the whispers. Roots of freedom, strong and wide. We march on, Jah guide the ride. Yeah. Earth tremble, walls are shake. Just spirit rise, Babylon break. No place fi hide, no safe disguise. Truth come like thunder in the skies. Me feel it deep in my bones. Rhythm shake the very stones. Babylon fortress built on lies. Me watch it crumble for me eyes. Them lock we mind in digital cage. Push illusion fi blind the age. But real eyes always see Jah message wild and free. Them set trap inna the food and air. System take we joy, take we care. But Zion people strong and wise. Me say the fire can't disguise. Earthquake rhythm, sound the alarm. Babylon fall, we stay calm. Truth arise from underground. Jah warrior stand strong and sound. Them call it progress, but me say fake. More money, more lives at stake. Nature cry, me hear the call. Time for the empire fi fall. We not go bow, we not go break. Every chant me people make is like a hammer upon the wall. Babylon tremble, soon them fall. We plant seeds in a fertile ground. New roots rise with conscious sound. Every youth, every elder know freedom sooner overflow. Lightning flash, the sky get red. Time fi rise from out the dead. Me say open your heart, open your mind. Leave Babylon illusions behind. Me walk with ancestors, spirit strong. Them guide me steps, them sing me song. This revolution I use gun. It built from truth and rising. Earthquake rhythm, sound the alarm. Babylon fall, we stay calm. Truth arise from underground. Jah warriors stand strong and sound. The mountain move, the river swell. Nature rebel, we know it well. Balance must return again. No more shackles, no more chain. Every heartbeat is resistance. Every step along persistence. Me say keep the fire in your chest. Zion children not settle for less. Babylon crumble, me sight it clear. Time for new day, fi appear. We chant freedom in every land. United strong, hand in hand. So when the ground start to shake, no say Zion soon awake. Earthquake rhythm, loud and pure. Babylon fall, Jah love endure. We not fear the final round. Me spirit firm, me stand sound. In a Zion we find we way. Babylon can't stop the new day. Zion take goes, yeah man. Rasta vetoes inna the house. Them hand you a screen and call it life. Feed you ads, feed you strife. Every scroll a silent chain.
Wrap your mind in digital pain. Me see you cry without real tears. Them drowning likes, them swimming fears. This modern trap looks so sweet, but me soul not dance to synthetic beat. Me close me eyes and me eardrum call. Old time rhythm break down wall. Ancestor voice in a breeze me feel. Remind me spirit what's truly real. Them want we scroll but now reflect. Live in illusion, disconnect. But me walk barefoot, connect with ground. Me feel vibration in every sound. Digital chains can't hold thy soul. Me ancient fire still burn all. We not sell truth for them glitter gold. Me chant for love, me chant for bold. In a Babylon click and code. Me trod pan righteous road. Them try trap I in a net, but Zion spirit never fret. Me remember when we talk face to face. Now me see art hide behind the interface. Emoji replace the real emotion. Me bring back roots like sacred potion. Me not judge, me not shame. Me just bring fire in a righteous flame. Fi wake them up from digital sleep. Fi plant them soul in soil so deep. Them worship algorithm like it's Jah, but me see clear, me not in awe. Me build me temple out of sound, where truth and rebel chants abound. Me see Babylon, self-fake dreams, plastic reality split at seams. But the ancient soul still here to fight, still chanting a moonlight chant for right. Digital chains can hold thy soul. Me ancient fire still burn all. We not sell truth for them glitter gold. Me chant for love, me chant for bold. In a Babylon click and code. Me trod pan righteous road. Them try trap I in a net, but Zion spirit never fret. Me plant me words like sacred tree. Let the roots run wild and free. Me not fear them pixel storm. Me heart warm in Jah farm. Them track me step, me breath me move, but love can't feel. All busters knock, cheaters or Nasadidas. I'm marching down at the shade, a Zion echo. The sky turned dark, the ground a crack. The system weak, can't turn it back. Them build them throne, pan lies and fear. But the truth arise, it must be clear. Them take the poor, them push them down. Them rob the land, them thief the crown. But righteousness can't fade away. Judgment come upon the wicked today. The mountain rumble, the sea get wild. The fire blaze up hot like the sun so bright. Them can't run, them can't hide. The people rise, no more divide. Babylon a shake, them can't stand tall. The walls are tumble, the kingdom fall. The fire rise, the wicked run. Jaja light shine like the morning sun. Babylon a shake, the chain them break. The people chant, the system fake. Righteous rise, the trumpet sound. Babylon a crumble to the ground. Me see them leaders full of deceit. Them make the youths, them fight on the street. Them feed with poison, them hide the cure. But the revolution can't wait no more. The lion roar, the warrior step. Them can't stop the truth where we protect. The ancient wisdom living now with blood. We rise like river after the flood. Them want fi silence the voice of truth, but Jah words deeper than any root. The foundation set, it can't be moved. The judgment heavy, the earth approve. Babylon a shake, them can't stand tall. The walls are tumble, the kingdom fall. The fire rise, the wicked run. Jaja light shine
Kingston town to the motherland. We rise up strong, we take this stand. The youth them wise, the elders speak. The knowledge rise, the vision deep. The walls are cracked, the throne are shake. The wicked Zion roots. Them build them wall fi keep we low, but truth still rise, it a fi show. Them take we land, them take we peace, but Jah fire burn, them rain must cease. Me see the struggle, me feel the pain, me hear the voices cry in vain. The ghetto youth, them tired of wait. The judgment come, them can't escape. Them a plan, them a scheme, them a try to mislead. Them a plant more greed, but Jah plant good seed. The fire ignite, the trumpet call. Babylon shake, the walls must fall. Babylon walls must fall, must break. The system lie, the people wake. Lightning strike, the thunder roll. Jah people rise and take control. Babylon walls must fall, it done. The battle fierce, the victory won. We chant the truth, we chant it loud. We lift Jah banner, we make Jah proud. Them send them soldier, them send them spy. Them spread them lie, but Jah stand high. We not bow down, we not retreat. We march for Zion, we burn this seat. Me see the elders, me see the youth. Me see the warriors stand for truth. We hold the line, we hold it tight. The darkness fade, the bring the light. The lion roar, the wicked flee. The trumpet sound, fi set we free. The system weak, it can't withstand. Jah warriors take the land. Babylon walls must fall, must break. The system lie, the people wake. Lightning strike, the thunder roll. Jah people rise and take control. Babylon walls must fall, it done. The battle fierce, the victory won. We chant the truth, we chant it loud. We lift Jah banner, we make Jah proud. We chant it high, we chant it strong. We burn corruption all day long. The truth them hide, we bring it out. We make the wicked scream and shout. The drum them beat, the people move. We set the fire, we make them prove. The revolution hot like sun. Babylon fall, the work can done. The rivers run, the mountains quake. The system fake, the chains we break. The suffering long, the time can't wait. We kick down Zion echoes, Zion. Whoa. Zion echoes, Zion. Whoa. Me journey long, but me feel it in me heart. Every step me take, me play me part. The road me walk, it's not always clear, but Jah's light shines, me have no fear. Me face the trials, me face the pain, but me rise up again, me break the chain. Me eyes set on the goal, me eyes set on the prize. Me trust in Jah, me trust in the skies. Me walk through the desert, me walk through the rain. Me carry me heart, me carry the strain. But me know me blessed, me know me free. Me see the beauty in the small things, me see the key. The path me follow, the journey me make. Me keep me faith, me keep the stake. The steps me take, the choices me choose. Me walk in Jah's light, me can't lose. Blessed be the journey, blessed be the road. Me walk with Jah, me carry me load. Blessed be the journey, blessed be the way. Me rise with the dawn, me shine every day. Me come from the bottom, me come from the dirt, but me rise every day. Me never get hurt, me keep the fire burning, me keep the flame. Me walk with Jah, me play the game. Me travel the world, me see the many faces. Me sing for the people in all the different places. Me know me journey, me know me path. Me keep the faith, me do the math. Me rise in the morning, me rise in the night. Me journey long, but me know me right. Me see the challenges, me see the test, but me trust in Jah, me do me best. Me give thanks for the struggles, me give thanks for the fight. Me give thanks for the lessons, me give thanks for the light. Me know me blessed, me know me free. Me walk in the truth, me walk in the key. Blessed be the journey, blessed be the road. Me walk with Jah, me carry me load. Blessed be the journey, blessed be the way. Me rise with the dawn, me shine every day. Me chant for the road, me chant for the path. Me chant for the joy, me chant for the laugh. Me walk in the light, me walk with grace. Me walk in Jah's love, me walk in the space. Me know the journey, me know the way. Me walk in Jah's mercy, me walk in this way. Me rise every morning, me rise every night. Me blessed with the journey, me blessed with the sight. Me journey long, but me walk with Jah. Me blessed for the path, me blessed for the star. Me walk in the glory, me walk in the light. Me journey full of joy, me journey full of might. Zayayako, Zayaya. Whoa. Zayayako.
The chant, the fire ignite. Babylon system can dim Jah light. Rasta man rise with the herb in a hand. Blaze it feature, make the world overstand. With the master push, roll tight, the feel divine. The ganja make the path clear. Jah design them a fight the herb, but them can't win. The power of the plants make the truth begin. The hillside green, the ganja trees tall. Every leaf a blessing, Jah here we call. The smoke a rise up, carry me, meditation. Fire upon Babylon, Rasta lead the nation. Fire upon Babylon, the herbs still blaze. Selassie I guide we through the smoky haze. With the spliff in a me hand, the soul stand strong. Blaze it up high, chant Jah name all along. Them try to ban it, but Jah make it pure. The herb are the key, the world's true cure. The northern lights, me elevate high. The fire still a burn, Jah vibes can't die. The herb it a speak, the truth it reveal. The power of Jah, them can't conceal. Babylon a crumble, them system weak. Herb a Jah gift for the humble and meek. Rise up the fire, light it in a the crowd. Chant down Babylon, Rasta sing loud. The herb it a flow like the river deep. Every puff me take, Jah vibes me keep. Fire upon Babylon, the herbs still blaze. Selassie I guide we through the smoky haze. With the spliff in a me hand, the soul stand strong. Blaze it up high, chant Jah name all along. The fire burn high, the herb make we wise. Rasta man chant under Jah blue skies. One spliff, one love, Jah guide we day. Fire upon Babylon, blaze it Jah way.
spirit, me heart full of joy. Me know me purpose, me know deploy. Me walk with Jah, me walk in a peace. Me know me soul will never cease. Me rise every day, me rise to the sound. Me trust in Jah, me never feel bound. Me feel the breeze, me feel the sun. Me know my journey has just begun. Free spirit, me walk with grace. Me feel the power, me trust the pace. Free spirit, me rise each day. Me trust in Jah, me trust the way. Free spirit, me heart aglow. Me walk with Jah, me ready fi grow. Me free spirit, me walk the road. Me trust in Jah, me bear the load. Me free in a heart, me free in a soul. Me trust in Jah, me feel the goal. Me walk through the struggles, me walk through the fight. Me know the truth, me know the light. Free spirit, me walk with grace. Me feel the power, me trust the pace. Free spirit, me rise each day. Me trust in Jah, me trust the way. Free spirit, me heart aglow. Me walk with Jah, me ready fi grow. Me feel the freedom, me feel the rise. Me trust in Jah, me open me eyes. Me free spirit, me free in a soul. Me trust in Jah, me know me whole. Me free spirit, me know the way. Me trust in Jah, me feel the day. Me walk with love, me walk with joy. Me free spirit, me never destroy. Free spirit, me walk with grace. Me feel the power, me trust the pace. Free spirit, me rise each day. Me trust in Jah, me trust the way. Free spirit, me heart aglow. Me walk with Jah, me ready fi grow. Free spirit, me walk the light. Me trust in Jah, me feel the might. Zion echoes, Zion echoes, yeah. Me walk the freedom road, me eyes wide open. Me feel the power, me heart unbroken. The struggles of life, me carry them with pride. But me never give up, me always a stride. The chains them a fall, the barriers break. Me rise for the people, for the steps me take. Me feel the energy, me feel the strength. Me walk in a Jah light, me go the length. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. The road me walk it no easy fi travel, but me know me purpose, me ready fi battle. Me never fear the storm, me weather the rain. Me know after the struggle me will feel the gain. Me fight for the freedom of the hearts and the soul. Me raise the banner of peace, me rock the roll. The fire of me spirit, the light in my chest. Me live for the people, me do me best. Freedom road, me walk it bold.
a Jah. Me rise above, me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Me free in me soul, me free in me mind. Me leave the struggles behind. From the mountains to the sea, me free like the breeze. Me rise with the power, me move with ease. The road is long but me never tire. Me driven by the force, me heart full of fire. Me trust the journey, me trust the plan. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me clan. Through the struggle, me find me way. Me walk the freedom road, me see the day. Me dreams are the future, me dreams are the light. Me know me vision clear, me ready for the fight. Me heart full of hope, me soul full of peace. Me rise every day, me never cease. The freedom me seek it deep in me heart. Me follow the truth, me play me part. From the shackles of the past, me break the chain. Me free in a Jah, me feel the gain. Freedom road, me walk it bold. Me never look back, me heart full of gold. With the spirit of Jah, me rise above. Me follow me heart, me follow the love. Freedom road, me nah go astray. Me walk the path of the righteous way. Zion roots. Whole world a shake, the people awake. Babylon fall, the system fake. Them sell out the youth, them poison the air. But we still there, we still declare. No more lies, no more pain. No more leaders play wicked games. Them sign the deal, them take the bribe. But righteousness we still describe. We chant for the poor, we chant for the weak. We chant for the vice where them try to keep. The fire inside, it nah go dim. We rise up strong, we rise up king. No more wicked games, no more lies. Babylon fall, we open we eyes. The chain them broke, the people rise. We chant to Jah, we hear the cries. No more wicked games, time for change. The system weak, we rearrange. The fire burn, the truth can't hide. We march to Zion, side by side. Them try to divide, we them try to rule. Them make we suffer, them treat we cruel. Them take we land, them take we gold. Them want control, we mind and soul. But Jah light shine, the trumpet sound. The lion wake up, we stand for ground. Them can't stop we, them can't win. We chant the truth, we move within. The ghetto youth, them wise up now. The elders guide we, show we owe. We plant the seed, the tree must grow. No more corruption, no more woe. No more wicked games, no more lies. Babylon fall, we open we eyes. The chain them broke, the people rise. We chant to Jah, we hear the cries. No more wicked games, time for change. The system weak, we rearrange. The fire burn, the truth can't hide. We march to Zion, side by side. The wicked run when them see the light. Them can't fight, the warrior might. The trumpet blow, the time is now. We stand up strong, we take the vow. We never bow, we never stray. We chant Jah name in night and day. The drum them beat, the people sing. The victory sound, the freedom ring. Me see the future, me see it bright. We step out the dark, we step in the light. No politician can tell we lie. The people rise, we take the sky. We build with Zion roots. but love are the key. Fi change with faith. Me see the ghetto youth, them lost. Me see the innocent, them pay the cost. Politicians not talk, but them can't hear. The system blind, them full of fear. We need to come together, unite as one. Under Jah light, we can't be gone. The drum them beat, the fire blaze. We chant for truth, we chant for days. One love, one mission, stand up tall. Break down the barrier, break down the wall. Jah people strong, we rise above. The answer clear, it's only love. One love, one mission, hear the call. The righteous stand, the wicked fall. From Kingston town to Africa shore, we chant for peace, we chant for more. You tell we say we different, but it's a lie. Same blood run, same sun in the sky. Them push the borders, them build the fence, but the spirit free, it can't make sense. Me hold me brother, me hold me queen. We walk in love, we keep it clean. No more division, no more fight. We come together, we shine the light. The world is Jah creation, it for all. No matter the skin, no matter the call. The message clear, the time is now. We stand united, we take the vow. One love, one mission, stand up tall. Break down the barrier, break down the wall. Jah people strong, we rise above. The answer clear, it's only love. One love, one mission, hear the call. The righteous stand, the wicked fall. From Kingston town to Africa shore, we chant for peace, we chant for more. Make some them beat, the voices sing. We lift Jah name, we make it ring. No more war, no more cries. We burn the evil, we open we eyes. Me see the children, them dance so free. Them not serious, them just see we. That are the way, that are the truth. We teach the elders, we teach the youth. The system try to keep we low. Them poison the mind, them take the flow. But Jah love
whatever I am fair when they choose to run in real life. We don't flick shit, it'll be a flex, you know, bias. Get gun, you make it when I'm known and have a venture. These kids is stash on no V5.
Me say peace and love, me feel the vibes. Me walk through the world, me embrace the tribes. Me see the beauty in the heart of the people. Me know the world need more love, more equal. Me talk to the elders, me talk to the youth. Me share the wisdom, me share the truth. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me share the message, me hold the listeners. Peace and love, me walk with pride. Me carry the message, me carry the light inside. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Peace and love, me free in the soul. Me walk in a peace, me make the world whole. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Me know the struggles, me know the pain, but through the love, we rise again. Me know Jah's light, me feel the power. Me know me purpose, me feel the flower. Me walk with the elders, me walk with the youth. Me know the beauty, me know the truth. Me rise with the peace, me rise with the love. Me walk in the blessings, me walk above. Peace and love, me walk with pride. Me carry the message, me carry the light inside. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Peace and love, me free in the soul. Me walk in a peace, me make the world whole. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Me feel the peace in me heart. Me know we never need to fall apart.
Me share the love, me share the grace. Me walk through the world, me find me place. Me know the power of the human soul. Me know together we can make the world whole. Peace and love, me carry the banner. Me walk in jazz light, me hold the standard. Peace and love, me walk with pride. Me carry the message, me carry the light inside. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Peace and love, me free in the soul. Me walk in a peace, me make the world whole. Peace and love, me feel the rise. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Feel me heart so strong. The wicked them a tremble, them can't hold on long. Me fight for the youth, me fight for the poor. Me fight for the people Babylon ignore. Them tell we say we wrong, them call we mad. But we stand up tall, we not feel sad. Them push them lies, them spread them fear. But Jah light shine, the truth can't disappear. The system wicked, them full of greed. Them take the food while the ghetto bleed. Them poison the air, them poison the land. But me a rebel, me take me stand. Me a rebel with a cause, me fight for the right. Jah give me strength, me burn them lies. The fire blaze, the trumpet call. The wicked run, them kingdom fall. Me a rebel with a cause, me not turn back. We chant for freedom, we break the lock. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the righteous rise, the fight get hotter. Them try to stop we, them try to hold we down. Them send them soldier, them send them clown. But me spirit free, me can't be bought. Me mind too strong, me not get caught. The government feel, them only deceive. Them make the people cry, them make them grieve. But me a warrior, me chant Jah name. Me stand firm, me play the game. We nah need gun, we nah need knife. We use Jah truth, we live feel life. We burn corruption, we burn the hate. We open the gate, we change the fate. Me a rebel with a cause, me fight for the right. Jah give me strength, me burn them lies. The fire blaze, the trumpet call. The wicked run, them kingdom fall. Me a rebel with a cause, me not turn back. We chant for freedom, we break the lock. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the righteous rise, the fight get hotter. The youth them rise, the vice them loud. We make Jah proud, we move the crowd. The system weak, it can't withstand. The rebel army take the land. We chant down Babylon, chant down Rome. We take the struggle straight to them throne. The trumpet sound, the walls are shake. We bring the fire, the chains we break. The ghetto youth them, tired of the wait. The promise fake, the time can't late. We walk with love, we walk with pride. We burn the wicked, we take. Them sell illusion, them twist the tale. Them hide the truth behind the veil. Them talk about justice, but still deceive. The people suffer while them thief and leave. Them print the money, them buy the soul. Them push corruption, them take control. But the time a come, the people wise. The real foundation can't compromise. Me see them talk, but them can't walk. Them set the trap, but me can't get caught. The wicked plan, but Jah design. The righteous rise in a due time. Chant down burn out the lie, break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jaja light still shining on. Me look around, me see the scheme. Them poison the youths with false dream. Them promise gold, but give with brass. Them sell the future, but we can't lose. The history book, full of deceit. Them rewrite the past, them try to delete. But we ancestors chant it strong. The knowledge live, it can't be gone. Them push religion to keep we down, but Jah within, him wear the crown. No church, no pope, no false decree. The spirit free eternally. Chant down illusion, burn out the lie. Break down the system, no more comply. Righteous fire, blaze them away. The truth stand tall, no fade away. Chant down illusion, open your eyes. Babylon crumble, can't disguise. The people rise, the chains them gone. Jaja light still shining on. The wicked fear when we unite. The darkness fade when we hold the light. The system weak, the foundation shake. The truth reveal, the blind awake. The people know, the people feel. The righteous stand, the message real. No more games, no more tricks. We chant it down, no politics. From Africa land to Kingston town, the revolution can't be drowned. The message strong, the heart them pure. The youths them rise, Jah love endure. We chant it loud, we chant it clear. The time is now, we can't have fear. The table turn, the fire spread. The wicked run, the system dead. No matter what. Me walk through the fire, me walk through the storm. Me heart full of strength, me heart full of form. Me spirit like the lion, brave and bold. Me no back down, me no sell me soul. Me carry the fire, me carry the flame. Me lion heart beat, it no one tame. The world full of struggle, full of pain, but me rise up again and again. Me now make the struggles break me. Me rise with just strength, me come fi fight. Them try fi break me, but me nah fall. Me lion heart stay strong, me stand tall. Lion's heart me never fear. Me face the buckle, me hold the spear. Lion's heart me stand so tall. Me no back down, me answer the call. With the power of Jah, me move through the night. Me lion heart blazing, me lion heart light. Me no need fi run, me no need fi hide. Me walk in a Jah light, me stand with pride. Me rise from the ground, me rise from the dirt. Me lion heart strong, me feel the hurt. But me no surrender, me no let go. Me stand for the truth, me stand for the flow. Me call on Jah, me call on the King. Fi give me the strength, fi rise and sing. The battle are fierce, but me never fear. Me move through the darkness, me see it clear. Me lion heart strong, me lion heart wise. Me never fall, me never compromise. Me rise like the sun in the morning sky. Me not afraid fi face the battle, me no shy. The lion heart rise, it a lead the way. For the people, for the truth, for the brighter day. Me rise in the fight, me rise in the light. Me lion heart blaze, me always right. Me no need no army, me no need no gun. Me strength of the spirit, me strength of the sun. Me fight with me words, me fight with me soul. Me fight for the people, me fight for the goal. Me lion heart beat, me never turn back. Me Me rise from the struggle, me walk the track. Them try fi break me, them try fi steal, but me spirit unshakable, me spirit real. Me move like the lion, me move with grace. Me lion not fi always lead the race. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, me lion heart strong, me walk through the night. Lion's heart me never fear. Me face the buckle, me hold the spear. Lion's heart me stand so tall. Me no back down, me answer the call. With the power of Jah, me move through the night. Me lion heart blazing, me lion heart light. Me rise from the dark.
Me walk the mystic path, me steps full of light. Me trust in the journey, me see the sight. Me heart filled with hope, me soul full of grace. Me know Jah's presence, me know me place. The road me walk is full of peace. Me seek the truth, me find the release. Me follow the rhythm, me follow the sound. Me know me journey, me know me ground. Mystic path, me walk it through. Me trust Jah's guidance, me follow the view. Mystic path, me feel the rise. Me know Jah's love is the ultimate prize. Mystic path, me follow the signs. Me walk with the truth, me never decline. Mystic path, me soul aglow. Me trust in Jah's light, me ready fi flow. Full of joy, we see the peace, we find the employ. We walk through the valley, we climb the peak. We find the strength in the silence, me speak. Me heart full of love, me mind full of peace. Me trust in Jah, me soul release. Me walk with me brothers, me walk with me sisters. Me know the truth, me feel the whispers. Mystic path, me walk it through. Me trust Jah's guidance, me follow the view. Mystic path, me feel the rise. Me know Jah's love is the ultimate prize. Mystic path, me follow the signs. Me walk with the truth, me never decline. Mystic path, me soul aglow. Me trust in Jah's light, me ready to flow. Me see the signs in the stars above. Me feel the power, me feel the love. Me know me purpose, me know me place. Me follow the path with an open embrace. We walk the mystic path, me eyes open wide. Me trust in Jah's wisdom, me never hide. Me soul in a peace, me heart full of cheer. Me walk through the trials, me walk through the fear.